If your air conditioning stops working, here are a few things you can check before calling your service professional. First, make sure your thermostat is set for air conditioning. Second, make sure the set point is below the room temperature. Your furnace also plays a part in your air conditioning performance. Let's go check the furnace. The air conditioner needs the furnace to circulate the air, so let's make sure the furnace switch is turned on. Next, let's check the furnace filter. This filter should be checked monthly and replaced whenever dirty. You can typically find these filters at your local hardware store or have them delivered to your door with Airtron's Essential Filter program. Next, let's check the furnace breaker and make sure it's turned on. Finally, you want to check your disconnect box to make sure it's turned on and no fuses are blown. If your air conditioner still doesn't work, it's time to call Airtron. While a checklist can be helpful and fix many problems, we highly recommend a licensed professional for any repairs.